Angro Garden. I want to pee. Bibili ako ng carrot. Huwag mo ano ibigay sa akin. Defeat naman eh. Hindi ka nakakatuwa. Ang ganyan nga yun. O, ibigay mo kay Dylan. Wait of 10 minutes. And, 10 minutes. I want to sell this. It's 50. Thank you. And this potato. Ay, potato. Tomato. Thank you. Yes. I will do this. I want the girls shop. Tick. I want the Master Sprinkles. Here we go. Thank you. And 10 minutes, guys. Here we go. And I want to send this. It's 50. Thank you. And I want the bamboo. Here we go. And meron pa akong pera dito. Bibili na ako, guys. Pabili nga po. I want to sell. Dapat ako yung gagana eh. What? 50. Guys, sorry. Ito pa pala. And I want the mushroom. Watermelon. Kala mo, Dylan, tumayo ka lang dyan. Uy, tapo mo yan. Here is the mushrooms. Thank you. Guys, I fix this. I'm the kings. Oh, meron pa akong Master Sprinkles. And wait the 10 minutes. Go. I want to sell these. 50. Thank you. Guys, ito papatunan natin dito. And wait that the mash Ember Lily on stock. Guys, Ember Lily stock. Hello, Ember Lily stock. Here's the Ember Lily, guys. And on sticks. And we're mixed in 10 minutes. Guys, this. And I want to sell this. I want to sell this. Where you go? 50. Thank you. Guys, and wait the mushroom. Wait. Huh? And oh, I want mushroom, guys. Hey, punta na tayo. Sam, pwede po pabili ng mushroom?
Yes.
Isa na po.
Ayun na.
Thank you. And ano na natin, guys. Ano na natin dito. And bibili ako kay Aling Nena ng Master Sprinkles. Ito nga po. Atifit, ayusin mo kasi. Atifit, ayusin mo yung pangkuha. And go this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, sweet. Guys, part 2.